Once we've opened the Mucar software, we now need to click on the Go button. This will take us to the next page. From this page, you can select Auto Search to find your vehicle. If your vehicle is not found, you can enter its VIN number. If it's still not found, you can enter your vehicle manually by clicking on Model Selection. From here, I am going to click on Euro Ford. From the next page, I am going to select Ford. Obviously, on this part you would be selecting your vehicle. After selecting your vehicle, the next page will open. Here we need to click on Health Report. We will then receive a full diagnostic report, showing any trouble codes we may have. Here it is scanning through all the systems of the car to give you a detailed report. It has now performed a full scan of the vehicle and found 3 fault codes. Next, we need to click on each fault code to diagnose the problem. Next, click on Read Fault Code to take us to the next page. From this page, we can click on the Search button. It will then do an automatic internet search for us, giving us more information about the fault code. Or we can click on the Report button at the bottom of this page to receive a full report and the possible solution to fix and repair. Now click on the View button to receive a full report on the trouble codes. Here you will find all the information you need to diagnose the problem. You will also find a troubleshooting step-by-step guide and a possible solution, showing how to fix and repair. The Mucar BT200 has a lot more features that are not shown in this video. Say goodbye to expensive trips to the mechanic and hello to effortless vehicle checks right from your smartphone. The Mucar BT200 is designed for everyone, whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a casual driver. With this Mucar BT200 you can also read live data, perform up to 15 service reset functions, and print off results for future reference. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.